You probably won't believe this, but one simple cup made from a tiny spice sitting in your kitchen can help your body feel powerful again, even after blisters. Yes, I'm talking about cloves. If you're a man who's noticed less energy, weaker circulation, or a loss of confidence in the bedroom, this message could completely change how you understand your body. And when used the right way, this ancient spice does far more than flavor food. It helps wake up blood flow, support nerve signaling, and reactivate natural male drive. I'm Dr. Marianne, a board certified urologist, and for over star years, I've helped men restore performance, vitality, and confidence using science based natural approaches. I'm not here to sell pills, gadgets, or fake testosterone boosters. Today, I want to show you a simple habit that works with your biology, not against it, and it can begin tonight. Millions of men drink clove tea or chew cloves every day, but most do it wrong and unknowingly lose almost all of the benefits. The problem isn't the spice, it's the method. In this video, you'll learn how to prepare clove water so your body can actually absorb its most powerful compound, Eugenol. This molecule plays a key role in circulation, inflammation control, and blood vessel flexibility. I'll also explain how clove water connects to testosterone balance, prostate comfort, digestion, and why timing your drink correctly matters more than most men realize. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a simple nightly ritual that many men say makes them feel noticeably stronger, but calmer and more energized over time. No drugs, no side effects, just a supportive habit done the right way. To understand why this works, we first need to talk about what's really happening inside your body after lichters. As men enter there, whooshers and lookerses, subtle but important changes begin to occur. Blood flow slows, nerve signals weaken, hormone levels, especially testosterone, gradually decline. This is why energy drops, recovery takes longer, and the body doesn't respond the way it once did. Most men are told this is just aging, but the truth is more specific than that. Erections, energy, and vitality don't rely on testosterone alone. They depend on three systems working together: blood vessels, nerves, and hormones. If even one of these weakens, the entire system suffers. Blood flow is usually the first to decline. When arteries are young, they're flexible and open. With age, inflammation, and oxidative stress stiffen the vessel walls, slowing circulation and reducing oxygen delivery to tissues. And this is where cloves become important. Cloves contain a natural compound called eugenol. Research referenced by organizations like NIH and Healthline shows that eugenol acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps blood vessels relax and improve circulation. Better blood flow means better oxygen delivery, stronger nerve response, and improved function throughout the body. And cloves are also rich in manganese, a mineral your body uses in the enzyme systems that support testosterone production. It doesn't force hormone spikes, but it helps your body work more efficiently. Think of it as supporting the engine rather than pushing the accelerator. At the same time, clove antioxidants help reduce low-grade inflammation inside blood vessels, improving communication between your brain and reproductive nerves. Nerves depend on oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When circulation improves, nerve signaling improves too. So, this is why many men who use clove water correctly report not just better energy, but a subtle return of confidence, motivation, and drive. What feels like aging is often a system that simply needs support. Cloves are not a magic pill, but they are one of nature's most concentrated sources of supportive compounds. Scientists have identified more than centrous active components inside this tiny spice, each contributing to balance in different systems. When prepared correctly, clove water supports immunity, digestion, liver function, hormone metabolism, blood sugar balance, and prostate comfort. And cloves stimulate digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. This matters because digestion often slows with age, and poor absorption leads to low energy and muscle weakness. Clove compounds also support liver health by reducing oxidative stress, which helps your body regulate hormones more efficiently over time. And there's also evidence that clove compounds can help improve insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar protects blood vessels and nerves, which directly impacts energy and circulation. A calmer prostate, steadier energy levels, better digestion, and improved blood flow all work together to create real vitality, the kind your body recognizes as natural. However, most men ruin these benefits by making simple mistakes. Boiling cloves for only a minute or two doesn't extract enough eugenol. Leaving the pot uncovered allows volatile compounds to escape with the steam. Drinking it too close to bedtime can interfere with sleep for sensitive men. Using too much can irritate the stomach, and expecting overnight miracles leads to disappointment. This is a supportive habit, not an instant fix. Clove water works best when used consistently in the right amount at the right time. And if you have diabetes, take blood thinners, or use liver medications, it's important to consult your healthcare professional first because cloves can influence blood sugar and circulation. When prepared correctly and used responsibly, clove water becomes a gentle, effective daily ritual that supports your body instead of stressing it. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to prepare clove water step by step, the same way I recommend to my patients, so you can unlock its full natural potential. And here's where most men finally get it right. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll extract the real medicinal strength hidden inside each clove. Start simple. Use 1 cup, about 100 milliliters of water, and 5 whole cloves, nothing more. That's all you need. Place the cloves into a small pot or a heat-safe cup, pour the water over them, cover it with a lid, and bring it to a gentle boil. Once it begins to boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Don't rush this step. As it simmers, you'll notice a warm, spicy aroma. That scent is eugenol vapor, the compound we're trying to preserve. Keep the lid on so those vapors stay inside the water instead of escaping into the air. After 10 minutes, remove it from the heat, but keep it covered. Let it rest for about 2 hours. This cooling period is important because it allows the beneficial oils to fully infuse into the liquid. When it reaches a warm or room temperature, strain it into a glass. You'll notice a light amber color. That's exactly what you want. Sip it slowly. Don't drink it like plain water. Let your body absorb it gradually. The best time to drink clove water is about 1 to 2 hours before bed. That's when your body naturally shifts into repair mode. Hormones stabilize, blood vessels relax, and the liver begins its detoxification work. Clove water supports that entire process. If you're sensitive to spices, start with 2 or 3 cloves instead of 5 and build up slowly. For a gentler taste, you can add a thin slice of lemon peel or a small piece of cinnamon. This helps digestion and absorption without adding sugar. Many of my male patients overlook or spare this ritual with light evening movement, such as a short walk or gentle stretching. That movement helps circulate oxygen through the bloodstream and works in harmony with clove water's circulation supporting effects. This is not a quick fix. Think of it as a nightly tune-up for your body. When done consistently for 3 to 4 weeks, many men notice smoother digestion, warmer hands and feet, and a steady, grounded sense of energy. Consistency is where the real change happens because the body rebuilds itself through repeated small signals of support. And now let's talk science, because everything I share with you is rooted in real, peer-reviewed research, not folklore or internet myths. Modern studies confirm that cloves, scientifically known as Syzygium aromaticum, contain one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants of any spice ever tested. In fact, a single teaspoon of ground cloves has been shown to contain more antioxidant activity than blueberries, green tea, and even some vitamin supplements. The compound responsible for much of this power is eugenol. According to research published in the National Library of Medicine and reviewed by sources like Healthline and the Cleveland Clinic, eugenol has strong anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and circulation-supporting properties. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main reasons blood vessels stiffen and nerve signaling weakens with age. By calming that inflammation, clove water helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout the body. Eugenol also has antimicrobial effects, meaning it helps control harmful bacteria and fungi. This is why clove extract is commonly used in dental care. When consumed as clove water, these benefits extend to the digestive system, helping balance the gut microbiome. A healthier gut supports better hormone metabolism, improved immunity, and steadier energy levels. Clove compounds have also been shown in animal and small human studies to support nitric oxide availability. Nitric oxide is essential for vascular flexibility and healthy circulation. This isn't a drug like effect, but a gentle biological support that helps blood vessels respond more efficiently. Cloves are also rich in manganese, an essential mineral involved in testosterone related enzyme activity, connective tissue strength, and cellular repair. According to the Mayo Clinic, low manganese levels can contribute to reduced libido and slower recovery. Research indexed in PubMed suggests that clove polyphenols may help regulate blood sugar and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. This matters because stable blood sugar protects nerves and blood vessels, and a healthy liver plays a major role in hormone balance. Together, these systems create the foundation for real vitality, not artificial stimulation, but energy your body recognizes as its own. It's important to be clear, clove water is not a cure-all. No study claims it is. It's a supportive habit, not a miracle drink. Think of it as giving your body the tools it needs to repair itself. The science consistently shows that cloves protect cells, support circulation, assist liver function, and help maintain hormonal balance, all of which are critical for men overlookers. The key is making this habit fit naturally into your life. I tell my patients to think of clove water as an evening reset button. Every night after dinner, take a few minutes to prepare it the same way. Let it cool while you relax, walk, or stretch. When it's ready, sit down in a quiet moment and drink it slowly. You're not just hydrating. You're sending a signal to your body that it's time to repair. Support this ritual with simple daily habits. Move your body for at least 20 minutes each morning. Eat fiber-rich, anti-inflammatory foods like vegetables, lean proteins, olive oil, and whole grains. In the evening, avoid heavy, greasy meals right before drinking clove water so your digestion can focus on absorption. Aim for 7 hours of sleep because deep sleep is when growth and sex hormones are released and properly used. Within the first couple of weeks, many men notice better sleep, warmer extremities, and a calmer mood. Around week 4, something deeper often shifts. Energy feels more stable, confidence begins to return, not because of magic, but because biology responds when circulation improves, toxins clear more efficiently, and hormones begin to rebalance. If you want to enhance the effect further, clove water can be paired with other supportive habits, like beetroot juice in the morning or magnesium glycinate before bed. Each supports a different aspect of vascular and nervous system health. What matters most is consistency, not intensity. A small habit done daily outperforms anything extreme done occasionally. And before we wrap up, there's something important I want to leave you with. After Luxors, many men stop believing they can feel strong again. They accept fatigue and low confidence as inevitable. But your body never forgets how to heal. It just needs the right conditions and the decision to care again. Clove water isn't the miracle. The decision to show up for yourself each night is, Doctor, Marianne, and I've seen this transformation hundreds of times. Men who felt finished rediscovering energy, confidence, and purpose because they rebuilt their health one habit at a time. So start tonight. Make your cup. Give your body that moment of care. You don't need to chase youth. You just need to support strength day by day. And before you go, tell me in the comments what you're struggling with most right now. Type 1 if it's performance or drive. Type 2 if it's fatigue or recovery. Type 3 if you want more content on prostate or testosterone health. I read every comment. And in my next video, I'll share one nightly habit that supports circulation even more powerfully than clove water alone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Your best days aren't behind you. They begin when you decide to take them back.